Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video where we are building application using CQRS and Mediator. So in the last video we have showed only how to create one method, post method. Now we are going to do the rest and probably use other tables also and make other controllers. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or subscribe. So let's start. Okay. So we need to continue with doing and creating these CRUD tables. If we go to Services, Catalog, Guest Type, Commands, we have add here. So next thing we need to do is go to Update and create these consoles. So we need to create Update Guest Type Handler and Update Guest Type Request. So we go here, Update Guest Type Request. And we also create update guest type handler, like that. Make this public. This is not public. What do we send when we are updating? We are going to send the whole request, so the whole entity, the guest type entity. So this needs to inherit I request, and here guest type. We have the same problem like before. We just need to push this here inside, like that. Okay, now it works. And of course you need the field guest type here. Okay, so let's proceed to making handler. So in here, we first delete this, and we inherit from I request. Okay. What do we need? We always specify here. So T request, T response, guest type. What do we return? First, let me add this here, like this. So if you want to see what you are returning, you go to the iRepository. See here, update does not return anything. So it should be empty. You then just go here. So to provide the null, if you have void function, you just specify unit from Mediator, like that. You also need the exception, because we specified here the exception, but we will not use it. Okay. So now we need to go to implement interface, like that. What does it say here? Type domain catalog guest type cannot use type parameter. Let me see. Why is that? Because we need here guest type request, of course. So then we need to do this again, implement interface. Okay, so in here, this should be tier response, not tier request. That's okay. How it works. Okay. Now we have implemented this correctly. Now we need to handle this. So we need to add try catch. Exception, like that. We need to do here. We need this not. We need to create the constructor like that, and add here some services. For example, base repository. Repository. Okay, of type. In here, we will probably need import again. Okay, we'll create here private read-only field. Repository, guest type, repository, like that. And go with repository is equal to repository, like that. We go here repository dot update async, and we pass our request dot get. We also need our unit of work. Work here. Unit of work is equal to unit of work, like that. Here we save the changes. We do await unit of work dot save commit, like that. We provide cancellation token. Okay. Now we do need one more thing. We have here, as you can see, we need to return the value. We are going to return unit. This will specify that we are using the void function. Okay. Okay, now we need also the logger. Provided read only logger. Update guest type handler logger. Logger update guest type handler logger. And we do this here, logger SQL logger. And now in the exception we log the error. Log error. We can also do it by providing exception and then the message. Error occurred and trying to update guest type. Like that. And we need to throw new rent me. Why it's not showing? Okay, we need the code. We'll just copy this from here. Okay, enable to update guest type. Now we need to add the validation for this request service. Okay, because you can see just like this. Add new class. What did we name here? Update guest type request validation validate. Okay, so now it implements this. Attached validator imported. Import this. And in here you specify constructor and validations. Okay. Rule for each. For property dot guest type. Okay. We'll go like this. So guest type must exist. Okay. We'll later do maybe some advanced validation, but let's say this for now. And in the controller, we add new method HTTP put request public async task. What does it return? It return task update guest type. What do we get? Guest type. Guest type. What do we return? We go with await mediator dot send new update guest type request. Okay, and you go here guest type like that, and return task dot from result. So then we will just delete this, and it's okay now. So we have successfully made update endpoint. Now let's proceed with delete and then get and get by ID. Okay, now let's start with the delete endpoint. So first we need to create the request and request handler, as you have seen before. So we go services, catalog, command inside this delete, delete guest type request, and we also create a handler, delete guest type and public validation. We also create, so delete guest type request validate. Well, what did I mean? Validate. Yeah. Delete guest type request validate. Public. So let's first start with the request. We go to the delete type request. We inherit from I request. Okay, what should be the response? You go to repository. You see the delete does not return anything. So we copy with the update. We also use this unit as our response. Okay. But we go here with prop guest type guest type, and we use this here. Okay. Now we have the handler. We inherit I request handler. So as you see, it accepts request, delete guest type request, and response is used. Implement interface. Generate constructor, like that. And now you need to copy. We will copy this because we need the same. Okay, here guest type, like that. And here this one. Okay, we copy this also. Okay, we will copy this. Public async. We will go with delete async. Save the changes. We're trying to delete guest type. Delete guest type. Okay, that's fine. We also need the validation. We go to here, abstract validator. We go here with the request. Delete type request generator constructor. Inside here, we are going to use this also. What is here? We'll use this. No, we'll use that. It's better to use this for this one. Okay. We need to edit. Inside the in here, you'll see maybe this should add all validators. This line, we'll see if this works. Okay. Now let's go with the what is next? Next, get by ID, get all async. So these ones we go into queries. So let's start. So for the get one, as you can see, we added these. We also need to add the request and the handler. So let's add it. Where is it? Services queries. We will add a new folder. Get all get by ID. Get by ID. We will see get guest type by ID query. Public. In here, I request the same. What do we return? return guest type. Okay. Here, what do we need? We need the ID. So proc.int ID. Like that. We also create a handler. So get guest type by ID handler, like that. Public, like this. I request handler. Get guest ID query response guest type. Okay. We implement the interface. Public async. Go the same. Here we copy this. Okay. We generate the constructor. Like that. Copy this logic. We return await repository.get by ID request.id. Okay. So I fixed it here. We have removed that. And inside the application, we set here to disable. Like we did in the infrastructure. Whereas inside domain, yes, here. So we want the return to null. If we get the no user, we return the null. But we maybe also return not found. Let me see. Let's stay like that, but we will const guest type. We'll go guest type, guest type. If there is a guest type, if guest type is null, else return guest. What should do we return or throw exception? We will throw an exception that the user was not found. Unable And here we're going to do this found find it ID like that. This will true and it will catch it here again. Catch rand me exception exception true exception. Where's the true? But it will not. Exception type is grant me exception. You're going to throw it just like that. Okay. You will see how this works later. So now we need the validation also. Get guest type by ID query validator public. We go with abstract validator get generate constructor rule for ID like that. So we must provide ID. So what's left is get all and to implement the routes in the controller. So let's continue with the get all guest types. So for get all we do the same as for get by ID. We make the request, but in here we do not want to get all. We want to use skip, take, filter, sort our data. So this will be done in some other videos, but for now let's add basic one for get all. So let's create the request and request handler. Get guest types. Public by request. What do we return? Collection of guest type. Like that. For now we do not provide anything in the request. Here We'll create a command handler, get guest types handler public. Okay, I request handler get guest types response I collection of guest type. We move this here. We implement interface. Okay, we copy this. And here we did not need a unit of work. Get this handler. In here, generate constructor like that. Copy this. And here we do not need this. We do not need this. We just return get all these. We make the function async. So we have use IEnumerable. IEnumerable is used when you, for better performance, when you do not need to add or delete data. Like that. To get guest types. You can go like this, or you can provide exception and the message. You can also go like this. Okay, and that's it. Let's now implement the API routes. So we need to go to the API. We have guest type controller. What do we have here? We have also creating. We have put. We need delete. Public async task delete guest type. We provide guest type. Okay. We need to return this. And result. Not okay. Let's add this. Update guest type. We do return results. Okay, await mediator dot send request, no, delete guest type request, where guest type is equal to guest task, and here high result, like that. And here we will delete this required. Okay. HTTP delete. Okay. So now we need get public async task iResult get guest types return await result. We don't need now, but need mediator dot send get guest types it's not result, it's I enumerable of guest type HTTP get. Okay, now what is left is to do get by ID one. Public async task, we return guest type. Okay, get guest type by ID int ID. Wait a second. Return wait mediator send new guest type guest by ID query ID like that, and we need HTTP get function. As you can see, we have two get functions in here. How we are going to accept the ID? So the ID will be passed as a query param, and you can use here from query. Okay, to specify it that it will be get from here. Okay, like that. So we have finished the controller for the guest type. Now let's continue. So now let's add it for different guest type. Inside catalog, inside validation, we needed to add guest type. That going to do this and import it here. Yes. Okay. Let's see this. That's okay. Okay. Now, what is the next one? If you go to the main layer, entities, catalog, make your room type. And we are going to do the same thing for the room type because it is catalog. So, catalog, let's try this. Okay. Rename room type. Command add. Okay. Room type. And in here also rename room type. Okay. Room type in here. Why is it catalog? Okay, you specify the room type here like that. Let's see the errors. Okay. Room type request. Let's remove the required room type. Make this room type. Copy this. Okay. Room type handler. Room type in here. Here. Also return room type. Just don't remove the room type. Room type. Room type. Okay. That's good. That's good. This is not good. Okay. Here, inside the validation, we need to add the validation. But first, let's in the guest type inside the add request remove this required and update also. Okay. Rename this to room type. Type. for that. So we need here create room, get room type, update room type. Okay. Room type request, room type. If that's the, it's not. We are importing the wrong one here. Room type request. Okay, we have wrong names. We need this. It's not. Okay, this one is good. This one is not good. So we have a problem. We will not copy anymore because we have renamed all of the occurrences. So let's get through the guest first. Okay, this one's good. Let's create guest type. Okay, that's fine. Delete. This is okay. So we are having trouble with validation. So let's fix the validation first. This one is room type request. No room type request. Create. and in here also. Like that. So this is okay now. So in here create type request, there is no. Why is it not showing? It's good. Because of this. Type. Room type request, this one. And here, this one. Like that's fine. Room type in here. We have not yet implemented this. We need to add it here. So room type request, room type. So we need here room type like that. Delete room type request, room type. We name room type. Delete. Okay. Okay. Delete room. Room. Okay. We need in here to fix the validation. Here room type here. Okay, now we have update name. Okay. Type. Fix this room type. Room. Room type request. Room type. Room type. Let me see what do we not need here. Not need this, this. But we need this here. These two we do not. Room type in here. Wrong type in here. Wrong type here. Wrong type here. So this is the update file. So update wrong type request. So something was not fixed. That's good. Here. Update type request. So we need here wrong type. Okay. Let me see here. Did I change this here? I did. This changed. This changed. Changed. Okay, let's change the queries. Get room types. Room. Okay. Room type. Room type. Okay. Room type. Here room type. Here room type. Here room type. And here room type. Room. Room. And get by ID. And here query. Okay. This one must change. Room. Like this. Room type. Room type. Room type here. Room type here. Room type here. more rule type here, rule type here. Get rule type by ID. This here. Rule type by this rule type. So let's fix inside here this query. Okay, this one query I need that. Okay, as you can see, so just type, yeah. This is why we are not going to copy this again. You can see it has created this mess. That's okay. Just type just 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 type handler here, just type here, this request here. Get guest types query. Okay, get guest types query in here. Guest like that. ID query. That's okay. So that's okay. Okay. Room type, room type, room type, get room type, query, room, room, like that. Update, type request, public. So we need to fix here should also do this and fix this here. Update, test, 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 update. Test, delete, test, type request, and in here one more. Test, create, test, type request. Okay. And here it has also changed all of this. Let's fix this. So guest type, create again. What is wrong here? Create guest, update, guest type request, delete, guest type request, get guest type square, like that, like that. We have fixed it finally. Now we need to add a new controller, room type controller. it will create class. So room type controller. We will go to guest one, copy this, we'll copy this inside here, just like that. Controller, paste, controller, paste, like that. We need this here, mediator, get room. Update room type request. Delete room type request. Okay, so in here we have error. Room types query. I need this. Create room types query. Why did it not change? What? Why did it again change? This is the wrong type. Okay, because we have copied this from the guest type, this has occurred. Wrong type. Wrong type. And that's it for wrong type. We have here wrong type. Result okay. You get wrong type by ID. This we do not need. And that's it for wrong type. So let's continue. Okay guys, so we are going to do a few more. So we have, for now, we have done everything for the catalog. For the apartment and the hotel, we will leave that for later. Now let's set this for administration. Let's set first the service one. Okay. So inside the services, inside the administration, like here we need to add a new folder. will be source. Add new folder. Command. Just like here, and queries. Commands we can say, but let it say command. Okay, let's add folder, add, delete, and update. Now let's hear how did we specify it. Validation. Get all and get by ID. Get all. Or is it better to just say get? Yes. Get by ID. Because we are going to implement filtering and pagination later, so it is not get all. Let's see, did it update? It did not. We have to update it like that. Okay, the error will be shown if something. Here it is. Okay. Okay. So inside add, we are going to do the same. Create service request. It will be public. So where is our service? Yes, ID, name, description, price. That's what we should return. Implements iRequest and returns service. Like that. And in here, what do we need? So we need the service to add it. Prop service, service, like that. Next, we need the handler. Create service handler. Public from iRequest handler. Create service handler, not request. We return the service. Okay. We implement interface. Okay. We go here, copy this, paste it here, like this. Here is service, import that. We then generate constructor. Okay, like that. Copy this. So our service request dot service await return service. Okay, this method is async, like that. Create service exception. Okay, so we have created that. Let's first create all of these. Let's create delete request. Delete source request. Public. We inherit from iRequest again, but this time unit from the mediator, and we get this service. Source that. We pull this, we delete that. We create the handler, delete service handler, make the class public, delete this, inherit from iRequest handler, delete source request, we return unit again, we implement the interface, we add these loggers and repository, this, we add here service, like that. We do not need this. This service. Administration. We pull this here. Add service now. Like that. Okay. Generate constructor. Let's implement the method try catch. Catch exception. Exception. Okay. Make it async. Return await. Repository dot delete async service request dot service. Like that. not available, and we return the unit. This, and we save the changes. And we also copy this logger. Copy this logger, paste it here. Going to delete source. Okay. Just let me do this like that. Now we need update. This can be a little bit boring, but you should type all of this so you can learn it really good. So update service request. Public. This request. You return what service or not. For update, we return again the unit. What do we get? We get a service. 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 Import it. We move this down like that. We add the handler. Update service handler. Public. I request handler. Update service request. You return unit. You implement interface. Make this async. You go here, copy the logger and this settings. Paste it here. You need this. You need service here. Again, we need to import it. This one, put it down. Delete this. Okay, we need to make the constructor like that. We need to copy this. Request.service, update it, save the changes, return service, service, like that. What more do we need? Now we need queries. Let's first with get start. Get services request. Public I request I enumerable of type service like that. Push this down. Create the handler. Get services handler. card from iRequest handler. Get services request. It returns enumerable of type service. Like that. Push this down. Implement interface. Save this. Okay. Okay, so we need to copy this from get service handler. This here. We need to also copy this part. Get service handler service. Need to generate constructor. This one. Add async. Like that. Okay, you see here mistake. Get. We now add get by ID also. Get service by ID request. Public I request of type source. What do we get? We get the ID. Okay. We create the handler. So get. What do we return? We return the service. Okay. Implement the interface. Save this. Copy this. Edit here. Generate the constructor. Service here. Service here. Like that. Now we need to implement it. We will add try catch. So service service repository. That's okay. Make it async. This will work. Service to get service. Okay. So you see enable to get service. Okay. Now we need to add the validation. Get new folder. Administration. Okay. We add the folder service. Okay. New item. Create service request validator. Public influence abstract validator create source request. We generate constructor, and in here we specify our validation. So let's see the service object. So we need ID and the name, the price to be that small like this. So okay. Rule 4 property dot service dot ID dot not okay. Name, we have price, we have, what do we have? Nothing. Okay, we will say like this. So okay. Price P2 5 2. Okay, we will not handle this now. We'll implement maybe the base validator and maybe some other things for this. So let's just create these validators. Specify this source not empty. Okay, for this. And let's add the others. delete service request. This is just the video so you can learn how this goes. It is just a template. Abstract delete service delete constructor rule for property service not that like that. That's it for update service request date like that. Update service request generate constructor, copy this rule set like this. We need get and get by ID. Get we do not need, we need get by ID. Get service by ID request. Like that. Implements abstract validator get service by ID request. This one make it public. Did I make this public? Yes, I did. Generate constructor like that. Plus here we have ID. That's it. We need just to create the controller now. Service control public class implement space controller. We will copy it, so I don't need to. What is this? It's not serious. That was a get all that we updated. So let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Change that. Do this. Service will be this. Service request. Create service request. Delete service request. Get services. If request, we have to make query. Get services. Request. Not guest type. Get service by ID query. Get services query. Like that. Change this. Service. Get service. Get services. Delete service. Update service. Create service. Okay. Let's just check then the role type also here. Print role type delete. Get. See here. Role types. Role type. Delete it. Okay, guys. So that will be it for this video. So yeah, you just created how many? To finish 3 controllers, we need to add the validation and much more things. So when we are progressing, implementing frontend, that in the conjunction we'll also do the controllers here, because it would be really boring for you if I have 5-hour video, I don't know, 3-hour video of just doing the same thing. And you will see if we can create some base validator and base things like that. So let's push our changes to the development. So added. So you say finished guest type. And add service and room type. Commit. Save commit. Save our changes. Okay. And push this. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you can learn something. If you like the video, subscribe or leave a like, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.